you will get the mop head, and depending on which model you've ordered, you will get some extra mops and refills and a soap dispenser. So first we start off by applying the mop head to the refill and fixing it. It's very simple. You can just press it with your hands and it's done. And you can just pull it apart also, so it's very simple. And the next thing you will do is apply the rod to the mop head. So just twist open the white cap, and on this side, apply and insert the cap and close it tightly. Okay, and then you can apply the cover. Okay, and soap dispenser goes in the soap dispenser holder. So now in order to first rinse the mop, you will loosen the handlebar. The handlebar is loosened like this and it is tightened like this. So it's very simple. So loosen the handlebar, and this side of the bucket we will pour some water. Make sure you don't fill the bucket. So it's enough. And you thoroughly rinse your refill by pressing it, and then take out the extra water and rinse out that water. Notice how the entire mop is now in the rinser. After this, you can tighten the screw cap. It should be tightened, and you can now tilt it with your foot, and easily clean this very nicely, simply. And just put your foot and pull your rod back, straighten it again, loosen the middle part of the rod and put it back in the rinser. Now wash it, and again rinse it, and take it out from there, and again tighten the rod. Tighten it by getting it lower, in the clockwise direction, and you can clean the rest of your floor. By tilting it, clean the rest of the floor. So it's that simple. Thank you.